like something bit nice.
Are you doing it, Squash?
Daddy, why can't I fish over there on that side?
You can, but you need to stay away from the water. You need to stay away from Jacobs because Jacobs is heavy. Like, take this hook. Take the button. Push the button. Put your other hand down here at the bottom. Okay, ready? Take it back. There you go. Let go of the button. Let go. Yeah!